Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our channel.
And today we are back with another interesting video. Probably this is a music video or something like that.
Yeah, something in Japanese or Korean, and a Waterfall's performance film. Okay, so pretty excited to watch, and without wasting any more time,
Let's
let's
get
watch
started.
now. MTV represents. It's amazing. That's energetic performance. All right.
So guys, the video is over, and when I read the comment, I thought that there is going to be a waterfall in this video related to Bali.
Yeah.
That was another.
And I think there was Korean band.
Yeah,
Yeah. Are they new?
probably.
Just like BTS, I think.
Yes,
Uh,
we reacted on their video.
How
first
many
time.
members were there? Like 7 or 8
in BTS?
in this band? Probably 7 or 8.
More than 7, probably.
And it's trend. There are so many girls bands and boys, and I think
And this trend is probably in Korea.
yeah, Korea especially.
Yeah.
And Indonesian people also, they are also following this trend, because I've seen some Indonesian girls and maybe a complete band as well.
Yeah.
And there was an Indian girl in
Z girls.
yeah.
Yeah, Z boys and Z girls.
Z girls, Z boys, Z girls, BTS, TTS. I don't know how many bands are there, but
But
everyone
BTS
is,
is very famous worldwide.
yeah, they are famous, but rest of the bands, they are also very talented.
Yeah,
And
there is no doubt that.
and there was also another energetic performance. They
And we
danced
really enjoyed.
beautifully. Yeah. I should admire, should appreciate their effort in dance. So it wasn't, basically they focused on the video, on dance more than the song, I think.
Yeah.
So anyway, it was a good song. If you guys enjoyed, please make sure to give a like and subscribe to our channel, and you can press a bell icon and suggest us more videos in the comment section.
So that's for today. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.